Okay, here's a suggestion with the 4C kit, definitely. Compass, right? You could do cutting, the cover, uh, you know, combustion, and your compass. Because honestly, you don't want to get lost, right? With the 3C kit, I'm gonna give you a warning. Only go to an area that you're familiar with, and that's near, near town. They can easily go out. I would not put y'all in danger. So yeah, this is actually an accurate one. By the way, this is a new version. I have an older version that's black with the little thing in it. Because okay, so the older version of this had had a like a brass wire through here. So yeah. Um, and if you want for your extras for your 3C, put in the compass. If you're not feeling comfortable with and lymphatic compass, what I'll do is I'll let me take a picture real quick of the how to use the lymphatic compass thing quick. Actually, I'll do that on my. I don't know. But yeah, you know, this is a good, just basic one. Also, I think you can use, uh, if need be, you can use that as fire sorting because it's a Fresnel lens. So yeah, how you use this, okay, is you do that. You push it down like this, so you can actually see. Okay, I'm going south. So if you can't really see it, that's how it's supposed to be. By the way, that's how I do it, and it works for me. So yeah, that's my suggestion for the 4C kit. And if you're not feeling comfortable with the 3C kit, like without a compass, do the compass too, as the extras, not part of the C's, right? But be safe and sorry. I don't want y'all to get lost in the woods and have the National Guard looking for y'all, right? With the 3C kit, I would actually practice in a familiar surrounding of a forest. You know, 5C kit, you can practice in the urban environments, honestly. I think this is actually supposed to attach to your. I don't have a belt on right now because I have my gym shorts on. Uh, but yeah, that's my advice for that. I don't want y'all to get lost in the woods and have to get rescued on your first attempt at this. I'm going to an area that's literally. Wait, is it this way? No, is it that? No, is it that way? That's that. Wait, no, that's that way. Because the woods that way, not too far. So I'm gonna go there to practice my stuff. Uh, I'm now this challenge is basically to get you prepared for okay. God, I don't have this, this, and this, but I have this, so I can make say a container knife. I can make with the knife cordage. I can make with the knife. Knife is pretty much a very important part of a solo kit. Let's just go here. If I could find a bottle, I don't have a bottle, do I? No, I do not, because of course I don't. I should have a bottle because I've been drinking. I have a big bottle actually. Hmm. I gotta cut it real quick. I'll show you how. I'll try to do that in case you can't afford a cordage making cord or whatever from Good Workshop. You can use a knife to make cordage. Not that hard, honestly. Look up tutorials and all this, right, to help. I want you to be prepared so no matter what, your survival rate drastically goes up. So yeah, that's suggestions for the 3C and the 4C kit. 5C kit, which you'll obviously have freaking compass. That's what. Um, if you're in an urban area for 5C, you don't have to have a compass really. Because if you're in a familiar urban area, right, practice in familiarity. Okay. Uh, Side kit, definitely if you're not including a compass in your main, definitely sidekick. So, you can have those button compass. Now, a really good button compass I've found is an explorer's compass. That's a good one. It's air filled. All you gotta do is, okay, I gotta show myself doing this. Okay. Okay, so say this is an explorer's compass, right? Let me just go down. Then you just do that, and it will orientate itself. Well, how come that just this is not liquid filled, by the way, because I would see the liquid. But yeah, that's what you do. You spin it. You spin it around, and it should. That's how you see if it's accurate or not. Also, and I personally think it's fun. But yeah, anyway, that's suggestions and all this. It's been Post-Apocalyptic Survival, which I didn't say in the last one, I believe. It's Post-Apocalyptic Survival, helping you survive in the wasteland with less. Peace.